Heljan's revised O-gauge split head code Class 37.0 diesel is reviewed in full in the September 2020 issue of Hornby Magazine. 5 new models are due in BR green with full yellow ends, as per our review sample seen here on Hornby Magazine's O-gauge office test layout, together with BR plain green, BR green with small yellow ends, BR blue, plus a fully finished model in BR large logo blue with a weathered finish as Tinsley favourite 37116 Comet. This latest batch of the popular split head code 37s feature a number of upgrades, including improved DCC interface, revised underframe tanks and LED lighting, together with 2 5-pole motors, sprung buffers, rotating roof fan and detailed cab interiors. Both locomotives were put through their paces, with the large logo 37 on a rake of Heljan's BR Mark I carriages and the BR green example heading a ballast train. You can read the full review on Heljan's upgraded O-gauge split head code Class 37.0s in the September 2020 issue of Hornby Magazine.